Imagine living in a peaceful town surrounded by mountains. Everything looks normal, but every night you hear a strange, low humming sound that no one can explain. This is the mystery of the Taos Hum. In the small town of Taos, New Mexico, some residents have reported hearing a deep, continuous humming noise since the early 1990s. They describe it as sounding like a distant diesel engine or a low-frequency vibration that never seems to stop. The strange part is that not everyone can hear it. Some people hear the hum every day, while others standing right next to them hear absolutely nothing. This has made the mystery even more confusing. Scientists, engineers, and investigators have spent years trying to solve it. They searched for hidden industrial machines, power lines, underground gas pipes, and even secret military equipment, but no clear source was ever found. Some experts believe the sound may come from natural geological activity deep beneath the Earth. Others think it could be caused by low-frequency sound waves that only certain people are sensitive to, but not everyone agrees. Some people believe the Taos hum is connected to secret government experiments. Others think it could be linked to underground alien technology, or even signals from another world. Although these theories sound exciting, there is no scientific evidence to support them. For those who hear the hum, however, the experience is very real. Many have reported headaches, insomnia, anxiety, and difficulty concentrating, because the mysterious sound never seems to disappear. Even after decades of research, the Taos hum remains one of the world's most fascinating unsolved mysteries. So, what do you think? Is the Taos hum simply a rare natural phenomenon that science hasn't fully understood yet? Or is there a hidden secret waiting to be discovered beneath the quiet town of Taos? Until someone finds the answer, the mysterious hum continues, and the mystery lives on.